Introducing the 2020 Audi A3 Sportback SB 30 TDI with 116 HP S-Line in sleek black. This hatchback is not just stylish, but packed with comfort, safety, and technology features. From Bluetooth phone connectivity to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Rest easy knowing that it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive home in a top-of-the-line Audi. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information. Don't wait, this Audi A3 won't last long.